what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more local leads in Google by building up your business authority. You interested in getting more leads? Watch this. So in today's lesson, I'm going to use the keyword bankruptcy attorney Plano. That's a place in Texas. So how do we get to the top, right? How do we get in this right here, the Google 3-pack? Well, first thing you need to do is go to the top 3 competitors. Now, you click website, grab the website right here, open a new window, paste the website into Google, right? When you do that, you will notice that their website comes up, and then their next link is a Facebook link and a Yelp page and a bird eye page. You starting to get the idea? Bottom line is that you need these backlinks. You have to have the same backlinks as the people that are ranking. Don't go to Fiverr and buy 500,000 backlinks and think that's how you're going to rank because the person says, rank in 5 days. That's not how you rank. Build your backlinks by hand if you can. Later on, if you need a couple of little, you need a little boost, maybe you can get some better backlinks. All right, that's the first thing that I wanted to tell you is duplicate your competitors' links. The next thing that I wanted to tell you is go get yourself a Facebook business page, get a Twitter page, get all your social signals, because that shows Google that you're a real business. If you'd like to work with us, please call us. My numbers are right here. We'll be happy to work with you. We do a free local SEO evaluation for your website. Thank you, guys.